Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue PS5 always connect to wrong Wi-Fi network. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network. Go to settings. Under settings go to setup internet connection. Here under registered networks you can see two networks, Galaxy A14 and Wi-Fi 2024. PS5 always connect to Galaxy A14, but I need PS5 to connect to Wi-Fi 2024. So how to fix this issue? First we need to disconnect from Galaxy A14, select Galaxy A14, then select OK, done. Then we can remove this Galaxy A14. Press options button on PS5 DualSense controller. Press options button, select forget, select OK. See, now I have removed Galaxy A14 from registered networks. So now only Wi-Fi 2024 is available. So now onwards PS5 will always connect to Wi-Fi 2024. So let me connect. See, now it's connecting to Wi-Fi 2024. So please keep only one Wi-Fi network under registered networks. That is a fix. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.